it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be here. If you would like to follow, come through. We're really girly here. So, guys, I know it's not technically prom season, but it's definitely coming around. Like, girl, you should be looking at dresses right now. I remember I bought my dress for my senior prom like March. So it's coming up. It's coming up, girl. You start looking, start looking. And when it's prom, it's kind of like a go big or go home situation. At least in my head. So I definitely went big. I didn't go big in terms of dress, but I went big in terms of like, what is she wearing? That is so different. I'll show a picture of my prom dress somewhere here. But I definitely went very different. I was kind of going for like a goddess of the sea or something like that. I don't even know, but it was definitely, no one had a dress like me. I bought it kind of really expensively. I bought it in a boutique in Brooklyn and it was really expensive. So I wish I'd heard of this website for my prom, because I am shocked at the quality of the dress they sent me. Like, I'm so serious right now. Like, it's so nice. It's so nice. There's this website called Hebeos. I'll put it here. So beautiful. And like, I know it's a little bit sketchy to shop for a prom dress online because you are still investing money in this and stuff. So I'm here to tell you that this website is top notch. Like, I'm serious. Like, that's why reviews are here, to tell you that these websites are not sketchy and that they're actually good. So here I am to tell you that. And there's also that added factor when you buy a prom dress, especially online, is it gonna fit me correctly? And let me tell you, this website went thoroughly to me to measure everything. They have a whole setup. I will put a picture here of what you have to put in the information. So like your bust size, your waist size, your hip size, your hollow to floor, hollow to hemline, and height. So they go intense. And they should. Your prom dress is supposed to fit you. You're so unique. You have a different body than anyone else. So cool that they do that. It's like, it's not just a small, medium, or large, so it fits you correctly. And now listen, I'm gonna show you the dress they sent me because it's beautiful. I went a little much. I went a little extra, you know, just a little. I got a whole princess dress. It's actually giving me kind of like modern Cinderella vibes. Like, I was like, oh my god. But like, the fact that I was like, oh my god, to this dress while it was on me means that it's a good website. So I will show you the dress because it's so beautiful. I probably put in an intro. So the dress is so beautiful and I'm gonna show you a lot of close-ups, and it's heavy, but not in a bad way, in like a this is good material way. That was how I was feeling about it. But there aren't just these crazy dresses that I chose. There are so many sleek dresses and unique dresses and dresses that you see other girls having that are really expensive in like the city, and you can just order it here and it's gonna be like just as good. Like, there's so many different styles for every girl, every style. Like, I really do recommend this website. So without further ado, let's look at the dress. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was a little bit different for me, but I mean, a sister wants to help a sister out. So that's why I'm doing this. I want you guys to get your most beautiful prom dresses in the most affordable way. And I know the stress of finding a dress that's affordable for prom. I get it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, so please subscribe to this channel, and of course the link to this website will be in the description below, and the link to my dress if you want this dress. But yes, click the link down below, and thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.